Good morning, everybody. I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a tour of an engine bay on this is a VW Tiguan, but obviously the components in most vehicles are exactly the same. I'm just going to explain to you quickly what the different components are so you've got a little bit of more knowledge on what's going on in your vehicle. So this is your antifreeze, which is your coolant bottle. So you fill this up if your vehicle needs to have coolant or antifreeze in the cooling system. There is your brake fluid. Now the brake fluid bottle supplies the master cylinder and also the clutch master cylinder. So it's the brake master and the clutch master. Here, that's your oil cap. You fill your oil in there, and then your dipstick is here. You check your oil level here. Important to start the vehicle, then switch it back off, wait 2 minutes and check the level again. And this is your ignition coils. Here is a turbo. That's the turbo. It sits on the exhaust side of the engine. There's an oil filter there. This here is the air filter. That there is a fuse box, obviously your battery. And then here's your gearbox down here. If you can see there's your gearbox selectors. So when you're selecting your gears inside, that's how it's selecting in the gearbox to change gears. And then here we've got the high pressure fuel pump. It gets fed by a low pressure fuel pump, and then obviously you've got a pressure switch sitting on the pump here to tell the control unit if the pressures are too low. In there you've got the intake manifold map sensor. It's a pressure and temperature sensor that tells the ECU what pressure and temperature is in the intake manifold to then adjust the fueling. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it helps.